Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a tree.
Look at the supplies we need to make this tree. Now take a paper, fold it into half. With the help of scissor, cut the strips, but don't cut the whole paper. After cutting, the paper will look like this. Now slowly open the paper. Be careful. With the help of Fevi-stick or any Fevi glue, paste the ends. It will take some time. After pasting, the paper will look like this. It comes in the shape of tree, as you can see. Now take another paper, roll it, slowly roll it and make a stick. Now paste the end with the help of glue or any Fevi-stick. Cut the ends to give it a sharp look. Now take any color paper or draw a star and cut it. Let's paste all the things together. This is ready. The tree is.
If you like this video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates.